Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is David with Roland Bin Verifiers, and today we're going to talk about serial numbers versus engine numbers, particularly regarding the year model Chevy pickup trucks 1947 to 55. So, what we're going to talk about today is how to locate the serial number, and I'm also going to go over some other advice that with something that I ran into with some customers, and just kind of give you a heads up and what you can do in that direction. So, before we talk about it, and again, we're discussing 1947 to 1955 serial numbers were used to identify the Chevy trucks from 1947 to 1955. And this was the case with many vehicles during those times. We didn't have a VIN number or 17-digit number for many years down the road. So, that's what was used for serial numbers. So, engine numbers, unfortunately, were used because people were not able to find a serial number. They weren't sure. For many vehicles, engine numbers were used as a VIN number or serial number. So the problem with it was that the engine number or that the engine was replaced in that vehicle. It was a common thing to change out the engine. So when you're recording an engine number, it's not stationary. In other words, it's not permanent. So it's going to get changed out. So in order for that to keep from happening, I would say you'd have to record your serial number on the vehicle, and that's what we're talking about here is how to locate that serial number. So where is the serial number? Well, the serial number for these type of Chevy vehicles, and again, 4755, they're located in the door jamb area of the driver's side of the door, just like indicated in this picture. So once you open up the driver's side door, you'll have the hinges there where the door's connected, and you'll see it's a little metal plate that should be um, riveted into the actual door jamb area, and it'll have the Chevy symbol, the weight of the vehicle, and it'll have a sequence number on there. So, what is a sequence number? So, you should see something similar to this. Excuse me, I'm having my speech impairment issues here. You'd be looking at a sequence number. This is just a made up one here. So, let's say you have 2JPI91662. So, if you have this, their first number is going to be your assembly plant. Your second letter is going to be your year. Your third will be your model series. Your fourth is going to be the month. And then the remaining numbers are going to be a sequence number. Now, as far as what each one's going to represent and how to find each one, you can obviously look up online. There's a lot of different information regarding different types of vehicles on different vehicle blog websites. Okay, so continuing on. So what happens when there's discrepancy? So here's what happened. So I had some clients recently basically had a truck that had a title, but the title had a different number than what the serial number was. It was obvious that the title had recorded the engine number because the number that was on the title was consistent with engine numbers that they had for different types of Chevy trucks. So we located the serial number. Well, the problem is now there's discrepancy. The title says one thing, and so then you have the serial number which says a number. Now the problem is, as a VIN verifier like myself, I can't dispute that. No, only CHP can. So this is where CHP comes in. So what happens? You'll go when that happens. There's a discrepancy. You'll have to go to CHP. Now CHP can do different things. They're trained. They can locate different VIN numbers in a vehicle. They can do a number of things. They also have access to resources that they can use for older model vehicles to determine if that's a correct serial number or not. They have had the opportunity where they can mark on the verification that based on the page number of this particular reference manual, this is the correct serial number for this type of vehicle, and therefore it's obvious that the uh, engine number was recorded incorrectly on the title, and the serial number can be used. Worst case scenario, they may just decide to assign it a VIN. The problem is if they do that, that VIN number will take on a different year sequence. I believe it's 0000. And the problem with that is now it's going to affect the value of the vehicle. So you might want to consult CHP and then see what your alternatives are there. But if that doesn't end up being the case, then you would have to get a referral from DMB to go to CHP to get that done, and then CHP will have to take care of that for you. So that's it. So if there's any questions, concerns, please let me know. The information is going to be in the description of down below. You can give us a call or reach me an email. Go ahead and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and comment. Tell me is there anything I can do better for you or any other information that you're looking for. So take care and have a good day.